In a quiet town where the days moved slowly and the people even slower, there lived a camera named Theo. Theo wasn't the newest model, nor the fanciest. He was a simple, sturdy film camera with faded paint, a slightly sticky shutter, and a gentle spirit. For years, Theo sat and mused in the corner of a dusty photography studio. He watched people walk in and out, families getting portraits, students posing for graduation photos. But no one ever picked Theo.
He was too old, they said.
Too slow. But Theo didn't mind. He was patient, and he believed something deep in his glass heart. Everyone deserves to be seen kindly. One rainy afternoon, a young girl named Mira wandered into the studio. She was quiet, with paint-stained hands and eyes that rarely met anyone else's. She wasn't there to take photos. She was just escaping a storm. She found Theo on the shelf. "You're beautiful," she whispered. No one had said that to Theo in years. The shop owner, seeing Myra's curiosity, offered her the camera. "Take it," he said. "If you can give it life again, it's yours." From that day on, Theo and Mira became inseparable. Mira began photographing everything: her neighborhood, her classmates, even strangers on the street. But there was something special about the photos Theo took. He didn't just capture what was there, he captured what could be. A grumpy old man looked thoughtful, almost gentle, in the soft light of Theo's lens. A shy boy, always ignored, looked like a leader in the frame of one photo. A woman crying on a park bench seemed surrounded by strength in the way Theo caught the moment, like the sadness wouldn't last forever. Theo didn't lie. He didn't erase pain or pretend the world was perfect. But he highlighted the good, the potential, the strength, the beauty people often missed. And people started to notice. Mira began putting the photos up around town, not with names or stories, just images. Honest, kind portraits of everyday people. And something began to change. The grumpy man started smiling more. The shy boy spoke up in class. Strangers greeted one another with warmth, because they saw themselves the way Theo did, as people worth seeing kindly. One day, Mira returned to the shop with Theo in hand. He was a little more scratched now, a little more tired. The shop owner smiled. "You brought him back to life," he said. "No," Mira replied. "He brought us back to life."